Yes, I have a towel on my head right now because I did not feel like putting on my wig before doing my makeup, because in real life I don't do that. So hey guys, it's DestinyLashae and I'm not naked. I have on a shirt. Earlier this week, I did a poll on my Instagram stories just to see what makeup you guys want me to use in my YouTube videos, and I wanted to do a specific video just based on products that you guys chose. The first product that I had you guys choose was the primer, and I gave you the choice of the Too Faced Hangover Primer and the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business. This is their skin smoothing primer. Now I've used this one in the past, but I've never tried this one. So you chose the Too Faced Hangover Primer, so I'm going to use that today. This primer is really hydrating, and I love a hydrated, dewy, wet looking face. I don't know what it is. I know a lot of people don't like it because you tend to look kind of oily, but you know. I'm going to blend this in with a brush. Don't ask me why I picked up a brush, but I don't know. So I like to glow, so I wanted to use a Glow Lotion or some type of glowy liquid underneath my foundation. I've never used either of these two. I had you guys choose in between the e.l.f. Glow Lotion and the Rimmel Insta-Strobing highlighter. And you guys, I wanted this one, but you guys chose the e.l.f. Glow Lotion, so I'm going to try that out today. This says use daily in the morning after cleansing. Massage a small amount of formula into hands and gently pat all over the face. This is supposed to create a fresh, natural glow. This is a highlighting, moisturizing lotion. So it's a glowtion, it says. Oh, I'm just gonna rub that into my face. I don't know. It smells nice, but I don't know if it made a difference really. So up next is foundation. I had you guys choose in between the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation and the CoverGirl True Blend Made Matte Foundation. Honestly, I thought you guys were going to choose the CoverGirl foundation because this is a new formula, but you guys chose this one. I wanted to try this one, but you guys wanted this one, so you got it. Alright, so I'm just going to pump this on my face. I feel like that's too much. Ooh, this smells really good. Oh my goodness. It smells like straight up peaches. And this color toffee, it looks like it would match me, so hopefully this is the right color. So I just put it all over. Oh, it smells really good. Yeah, it has really nice coverage, and this color is matching me pretty nicely. And this foundation says it's a matte foundation. I'm really going for it today. You guys already know how I feel about matte foundations. It looks like it's about medium coverage, and I generally use a brush with my foundation, so yeah, it looks about medium coverage. You can see some of my I can't talk when my brush gets on my neck. And honestly, right now it's summer, and I don't really like wearing foundation on a day-to-day basis because A, I don't go anywhere, B, I just don't wear makeup all the time. This shade is a little bit too dark for me, but I kind of like a foundation that's a little bit darker because when I add my under eye concealer and everything, it just tends to look better and I don't look like a ghost. Right now, I'm really liking this foundation. Like I said, it's like medium coverage, but it looks really dewy and glowy, and it doesn't feel like I have anything on my face, which is really nice. It doesn't feel heavy. So for eyebrows, I had you guys choose in between the LA Brow Pomade. This is new. I recently got this in PR. And the MAC Eyebrow Styler. Now you guys chose the bougie one, of course. You guys chose the MAC Brow Styler, and that one won by 57%. This is different for me. So I'm going to take the LA Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow base and also to clean up my brows. I use this all the time to do that because, I don't know, it's like my go-to. The reason more even. So if you don't have like a little dome dense brush like this, get one. Because it helps a lot with evening out anything. A lot of people like to use these under the eye. I don't. I like my beauty blender, but these are nice. This is the Real Technique. What is this? I don't know. It doesn't have a name on it, but it's a Real Technique brush. So now we're going to move on to eyeshadow. I had you guys choose in between the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette and the new Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. So this is what the Desert Dusk palette looks like. And this is what the Rose Gold palette looks like on top. The Rose Gold palette won by 53%. So it wasn't that much of a win, honestly, because I feel like you guys wanted to see both of these. And I'm going to take a MAC 224 brush and just kind of dip that in the product. This palette has a lot of fallout. And I'm lightly tapping my brush in there. But honestly, I can live with fallout. Yep, that's really pigmented, as you can see. So I'm going to go into the color Man Eater. And I'm going to use a Morphe 503 brush. This color doesn't have as much fallout as the last one. That right below that shade. I am really liking this palette right now. Hopefully I like the shimmer shades, because the word on the street is that the shimmer shades are no bueno. And then I'm going to take that MAC brush that we use for our transition shades to just kind of blend those shades together. I'm going to use this black truffle eyeshadow right here, and I'm going to take a Sigma E45 brush. This is like a pencil brush, a little fluffy blending pencil brush. I'm going to take a little bit of that black color. See, this black color doesn't, oh, I lied. I was going to say it doesn't have that much fallout, but just in a small circular motion and kind of blend it out. So I'm gonna try to pick up this pink diamond shade right here. I don't know. Oh, that's pretty pigmented. Oh yeah. This shade is very pretty. In this palette, it looks like when you dip into the shades, they kind of like squish in like Play-Doh. That's a little weird. They remind me of the ColourPop Shock Shadows. So just to be extra, I just want to add some glitter. I'm going to use the Stila Kitten Karma glitter. Yeah, so I'm just going to put that right on top of that. So for gel liner, I had you guys choose in between the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner, which I got in a BoxyCharm, and the LA Girl gel eyeliner, and you guys weren't bougie this time and you picked the LA Girl liner. Since my gel liner was really easy to apply, but the color is just not dark enough for me, I'm going to use the NYC liquid gel liner. You guys didn't choose any lashes, so I'm just going to pop on these bold face lashes in the style Glam. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo Concealer for under eye concealer, honestly, just because I want to. I haven't used this in a while and I remember it being good, so I'm gonna use it today. going to use my go-to. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Probably should have baked today though, since we're going for a really dramatic look. Use the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner. That was a long name. Now what I'm going to do is take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark, and I'm going to use that to sweep away that translucent powder. And I feel like this just helps make my face look very like creamy and airbrushed. I want to use a new brush today. I actually just received the new BoxyCharm box, and in here they have like brushes, an eyeshadow palette, and some other goodies in here as well. Literally just received this, but I want to try out these Luxie brushes and see if they're worth the hype. So for bronzer, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the color Deep, and then I'm going to take this Luxie brush that I just got out of that BoxyCharm, and I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm going to take that same brush and kind of pinch it a little bit and bronze up the sides of my nose. Okay, so I think this is last month's BoxyCharm box, and I think this has a contour kit in here. I'm going to try that out. This is the Pure Sculptor palette. This actually has 2 contour shades and 2 highlighter shades, and this looks like it will work on my skin tone, which is awesome. So I'm going to try this shade right here. Oh, it looks really nice. Oh my gosh. This might be a new fade. It's not too dark and it's not too light. And it's more of like a warmer brown instead of a cool brown, which I like. This is going in my drawer. This is really, really nice. I don't know about the highlight shades. They look kind of meh. So next up is highlighter, which everybody loves, including me. I had you guys choose between the new MAC Patrick Star Hot and Heavy highlighter and the Persona Cali Glow highlighter. And they're both very pretty highlighters. Of course, you guys are bougie and you chose the Patrick Star one. I'm just gonna put it right here. Ooh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Oh. In the pan. Okay. So in the pan, this does not look like this would pack a punch like it does on my face. But let me tell you, sis, look at how pretty that is. And it's not glittery at all. That's a lot of highlight. Is there ever too much highlight though? So next up is lips. I had you guys choose between the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick and the Vice lipstick from Urban Decay. And you guys chose Urban Decay, which was a shocker to me because I thought you guys were going to pick Huda. So this is in the shade 1993. So I'm going to go back in with my Huda Beauty palette, take a really small dome brush, and I'm going to take that color Henna, the transition shade that we used, and I'm going to put that underneath the eye area. So now I'm going to go into the color Man Eater with that smaller dome brush again and just get closer to the eye. I forgot to ask you guys about setting spray, but I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any of these products that I used today in this video and if you like them or not. Just let's chat down below about makeup because it's fun, you know? Make sure you thumbs up this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.